Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide or remove the professional account tag on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, you can switch your type of account very easily. It is all done through your business options. So let me show you how it is done. You go and click on your profile icon so that you can go to your profile options, then go into the bars on the top right. Once you're there, you just want to scroll down until you find business tools and controls. In here, you're going to be modifying anything regarding your business information on Instagram, if it's your business account or a professional account. And here is where you can switch your type of account. If you go all the way down, you will see this switch account type button, and this is exactly what you want to press. Once you're here, you just want to click switch to personal account, and then you can just confirm by clicking switch to personal account. Now, as you can see, if you do, your in-app insights will be turned off, and insights from all your content and your ads will be permanently removed. So do so with care and keep that in mind. But that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.